Hey friends, happy Sunday. It's time to do some savings challenges. I need to do like a super lightning fast stuffing because both kids are home. It's loud, there's distractions, and yes. Okay, so we have $27 from my paycheck towards challenges, and then this was, I want to say 73 or so. This is all the money I have to go towards challenges. So let's put it all together. We will give it a count, and then we'll see what kind of damage we could do. So we have 20, 40, 50, 5, 65, 75, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay, and even $100 here. So not terrible, not great. We're gonna stretch it as far as we can. Let's put this in here. Okay. So starting with our regular binder, let's see what we got going on in here. I did stuff this recently. Okay, so I did a bonus stuffing of this binder, but you guys actually have not seen that yet. That might actually be the next video that you see, or maybe you did see it. I really don't know, you guys. But anyway, these totals are a little bit higher than my last savings challenge stuffing. So, okay, here we go. This one is from Tracy over at Golden Girl Budgets. This was a freebie that she sent out with her mailing list, so I don't think this is available in her shop. We got a 5. That's all we're gonna do today. This I'm saving for my quarterly sewer bill, which is $80. It will be due at the end of June, I believe. So put in $5. And we now have 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $46. So we are getting there with this one. That makes me super happy. The next challenge I am using for medical, this is from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. It's her little adorable card set. I love Ren. I love all of her stuff. I love her cards. And yeah, they are just the best. So let's see what we get here. A 1? Okay, I'll take it. I feel like I should go again though, because yeah, let's do another one. Let's do this pink one because I feel like even though I shuffled them, they're kind of in an order, and maybe that's a 2. I have no idea, of course, but let's see. Okay, a 12. So we'll put in $13 today. I'm okay with that. I would like to get this one done fairly quickly because, as you guys know, I just am always paying co-pays and stuff at the doctor, so my medical fund could definitely use a little bump. All right, so let's put in 13, 10, 11, 12, and 13. That was my only 10, so hopefully I don't regret that decision. 20, 35, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, and even 60 in here now. And I say this all the time, I believe this probably adds up to 120, which means we are exactly halfway. Yay! All right, next, saving for my dog. This challenge is from Budget with Ira, but it's actually in Marlene's book, The Life of a Creator. And we are doing $5 per sheep. So let's just do 1 today. Let's do 2. Why not? Let's do 2. Let's put this little guy jumping up here. And let's see. This guy is laying down here by the fence. So again, $5 per sheep means we're putting in $10 total. And 5 and 10. So we now have 20, 40, 55, and $60 in there. The total will be 90 when it's finished. So we are definitely more than halfway with that one, which is great. For my kids, I'm using The Birds and the Bees by Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets and Champagne over at Champagne's Corner. This is also from Marlene's book, The Life of a Creator. And we're just going around the board and just kind of playing until we feel like stopping. I left off here last time. Let's see, what color can I use? Let me grab a yellow. You could hear my daughter yelling upstairs. And let's see what happens. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got a bird. That's hard to see. It says, if you land on a bird, play Wren's Aviary. So roll a d12 to determine your next move or amount saved. D12. Let's see. This is actually the bag of dice that is included with this book. Let me attempt to locate the d12. Okay, we got it here. Let's roll and see what we're doing. Well, we gotta roll that again. I try not to roll obnoxiously, which is why my rolls kind of end up being crappy all the time. 5. So 5 says save $8. So let's put in 8, and I kind of almost feel like that's all I want to do, but let's go one more time, I guess. No. Changing my mind. Let's just put in the 8. So let's see. Okay, so for the kids, we have 10, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 38 to go. So not terrible. Any extra money for them is great. And eventually, I keep telling you guys, I do need to start saving up for braces, even though it's going to be at least a year. You know, obviously it takes time to save up that much. So, all right, next is the consignment sale. You guys know I just went to this, so I think I'm only going to do one here. This little set of hearts is from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. And we got a 3. And again, I'm good with that because I have now quite a while to save for the next one. I think I'm going to make my goal 300 again. That was a good amount. I did have a little bit left over, which was nice. 1, 2, 3. And so, yeah, I think the 300 is going to be the sweet spot. All right, so let's see what we have in here now, and that is basically all of my change, so hopefully we don't run into an issue. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 36, I think. Actually, I'm going to take out 5 ones and put in a 5. Okay, next we have emergency, and I did start a new challenge for this one. She said she could. Sushi Did from Liz over at Liz and Less. This is a cutie little sticker challenge. How adorable. And let's do the 9. There's one more 9 here. Let's do that. And then I think, okay. Blah, blah, blah. Let me back up. I'm going to put in 10 and take out a 1. That's what I was trying to get at. My brain was just not working fast enough. Okay. So I think these are worth 3 9s, so we should have 18 now. 10, 15, 25, 20, 27. Oh yeah, 9 times 3 is 27. I can math sometimes, I promise. Okay, so that's good there. And then birthdays. Let's see what we have here because we only have how many left? 2. If they're low enough, I may finish this. I may not. Let's see. Ooh, a 10. Okay, no thank you. I'm really glad I didn't scratch that 1 second because if this is low, yeah, no. Okay, a 10. So let's see if I put in a 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take 10 out and put in a 20. So we now have 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. 44, it's a $50 challenge, which means this is a 6. and I think that I can handle that for next time. You guys, I almost forgot the monthlies. We have to finish out our monthlies. So let me grab that, and then we will move on to the big boys. Okay, so the Candy Miser told us that we are saving a little bit extra for Amazon Prime this month, and we only have $2 left to go. Yay. So $2. Let me color these in really quickly. And then we will have completed already our first month of our monthly challenges. What? Now, should I pick the new category now? Or should I pick it next time before I start? I think I'll wait, because why not? But this should be 25 now. So let's see. 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! And let's see what we can switch out here, because I really don't want real cash in my Amazon Prime fund. Let's see if we have 3 prop ones here. 1, 2. I don't think we have one more. Okay, so that's still a little bit better than it was. So 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! $25 going into Prime. I think I am going to just do that now really quickly, because I don't have like a dashboard or anything to put this aside and notate that it's for Prime. I mean, I could get a sticky note, right? But we might as well stuff it while we're here. So 25 extra going into Prime, which means I get to color one more on my tracker. Yay! That is gonna, what that means is that I get to now skip 1 month of stuffing this, because I do $25 a month, and that gets me pretty much where I need to be by the time I have to pay this. And so now that's saving me. So if there's a month where things are really tight and I just don't have it, or maybe I need that $25 to go towards something else, now that gave me the freedom to do that. And that's what I love about those monthlies. So yay! Super happy about that. Okay. 20, 40, 55, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70. $70 towards Amazon Prime for 2026. Okay, moving right along, we're gonna go to our big binder. And because I finished Dots and Dice, I really only have my vacation savings and then the Skelly book. But I almost feel like I'm just gonna put this all into vacation, because I am. The Skelly book, I have a stuffing to do for that. I finished Mini Madness, and so that's gonna probably not finish that book, but it's gonna get it close. And so since I'm gonna be super close to finishing that, for now I'm just gonna put all this money in here. So we have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and even 40. So I think to keep it easy on myself, I'm just gonna do a 30 and a 10 on here. These challenges are both from Lisa Grateful Me. Her Etsy shop is The Happy Mailbox Co. So we're gonna do a 30 and a 10. And these both together are going to add up to 444. I was just kind of trying to plan out what colors I want to use. So yeah, 444, and that's going to get me close to what I want to bring on our August vacation. Excuse my voice. Okay, so let's see what we're working with here. 20, 40, 55, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $88 already for vacation in August. Yes, we love that. And it's almost all real cash. So if there's a fund where I have prop money, but I need real cash, this is going to be a good place to come for that. Binder's already getting thick. Okay, my friends, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching till the end of the video. I hope you are having a fabulous weekend. Today is Sunday. I am off on my cruise, hopefully, as long as nothing went wrong. And so, yes, I will have videos for you all throughout the week while I'm away. But I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend and a wonderful week ahead. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!